Hey everybody, it's me, Gregory Mannarino. It is Friday, July 26, 2019, and why am I kind of chuckling right here? Because you are in the twilight zone. There's absolutely no doubt about it. I'm going to cover a bunch of things here that are important. Please share this video. I'm going to ask you to do that now before you even get started. Here we go. So we just found out that second quarter GDP cratered. Let's back up. First quarter GDP was 3.1. Second quarter, the announcement from today, 2.1. I would call that a crater. And the stock market is higher on this news. Why? Because right now, because of this number, I mean, I've already explained this to you, but this means the Federal Reserve rate cut next week is a 100% lock. And that's why stocks are higher right now. Let me put another perspective on this for you. Pay attention to this real quick. In July of 2018, so we're talking a year ago, U.S. GDP was 3.5. And our president came out and said we were going to get 5% moving forward. Well, to say the least, this was the worst call I've heard in a very long time. Since that high in 2018, July 2018, GDP 3.5, we have gone down. I mean, whammo! That's the trajectory here. As a matter of fact, yesterday, J.P. Morgan said we're going to 1%. So I guess the narrative here of an economic boom, it'll still be maintained. I guarantee you that the president will say today that the economy is booming. He will not tell you that 1 year ago GDP was 3.5 and he said we were going to 5, but we went to 2.1 instead, and the trajectory is lower. You know, you can't make this stuff up. This is what I'm explaining to you for the longest time. And the fact that our economy is slowing down, I mean, it's in your face. Stocks are higher because the promise of more drugs being pushed into this market. And like I said, believe me on this, this is the beginning of a series of cuts that are coming. More easy money, cash added to a digital screen, printed out of thin air. All world central banks, or most of them at least, are going to follow suit, doing the same thing. It's an incredible thing. The setup is very simple. And Mario Draghi laid it out on the line yesterday. He said that more easy money was necessary. Actually, he said monetary stimulus was necessary. Not that it, may be coming. It was necessary moving forward. And he's going to hand the reins over to a maniac. The maniac is Christine Lagarde, who has said publicly, people, that negative rates are good for the global economy. Again, in your wildest dreams, you could not make this stuff up. You can't do it. It's freaking impossible, but that's where we are. All right, so let's just cover a few other things here. Bond market about flat again as I am doing this video blog. Metals are about flat as I am doing this video blog. Cryptos are under a little bit of pressure again as I am doing this video blog. Very volatile lately with cryptocurrencies. You know my take on it. So look, this could not be more simple. Stocks are going to continue higher. Again, yeah, they're going to move around like I've been explaining to you, but the easy money is coming, and I mean in a big way. So we have an economy in free fall. It should be very obvious to you now, but it will be touted as a boom. I don't know. It's a lie. I don't want to call the president a liar, but you make up your own mind on that. Again, it's just too asinine to me. A year ago, GDP 3.5. We're going to 5. According to the president, we've gone nowhere but straight down since that time. And again, that's why he's calling for more easy money, why he's calling for rate cuts. And all this is doing, and he knows this, the president knows this, by asking the Fed to do what they're about to do and are doing, is making them stronger. Like every other world central bank, There's no other organizations on the planet that are stronger than world central banks. They are stronger than military arsenals with regard to the havoc or destruction that they can wreak on the world, because they control the money, or the cash. It's not money. It's incredible, but that's where we are. All right, people, look, please share this video. Get it out there. It's important. That's it. I'll see you at the end of this just lovely day.